Hey everybody, Ryan here from Android Coliseum. I've got a feature that I sort of didn't really notice until recently on the OnePlus 12R, and that is how to change the background. Now, it seems obvious enough, but here's what you can do. So you long press, you go to Wallpaper, nothing super exciting about that so far, but here's this workshop feature. Create your own wallpapers from a photo. So let's take a picture of something. Well, there's me. Let's see what happens. That's applying some sort of style based on the colors it saw. Okay, well, let's see about that. Apply to both. Now, the styles are pretty much the same. What it's really only doing is changing the color scheme. So let's try some other colors. So something with red and whites. Let's see what that does. So there's some red here, right? And we can play around with the red and pinks. Apply to that. But what if we've got the green from the OnePlus pad here? We'll take some colors from that. Well, there's your green. Red still. Well, what if I do with this yellow? With a yellow highlighter in there. Okay, close enough. No, still not much. But, oh, there's some yellows and stuff in there for it. That's a little different. So, like, the styles of these different things are the same, but it allows the changes, the colors based on that. And then what you can also do, remember, is you can long press, and if you haven't done this yet, icons. I think I did it in custom. We use the art, and we want to adopt the system colors for our icons. So we adopt from the background so they kind of match. And you noticed earlier those were different colors. So there we go. That's using the wallpaper, the workshop wallpaper, so you can, get your own sort of personal feel on it. Right. Thanks.